You're about to learn how to use your energetic strategy and alignment cues in your business as a human design generator, which is part of the first step of the CREATE method. It's incredibly important because most people learn about their human design type, but they don't actually embody their learnings, and then they go through life the same way as they always have, either spinning their wheels in their business without it making any progress on their goals, or creating a life that they don't actually want. That may be exactly what you're doing right now. So let's dive in. As a human design generator, you are the builder of the collective. You are designed to take action and complete ideas, tasks, and projects that truly light you up. The more you work on the things that bring you joy, the more energy you have to work on them. It is pure magic. You're here to find the specific things in life that excite you and master them over time. These are the things that you could do all day, every day, and never get tired or bored of them because they bring you such satisfaction. If you're looking for it, this is your permission to follow your joy. Practice, explore, and play with what excites you most. Your energetic strategy is to allow ideas and opportunities to present themselves first, responding in the moment whether something is a clear yes or no. You will know if something's the right path for you when you follow your gut and get out of your head. Take action on what is a clear yes in that exact moment. You are meant to follow the joy, not the shoulds in life. As a builder and action taker, you are a magnet to ideas and opportunities because you are the one that can bring them to life. When you get overwhelmed with ideas, it's important to have discernment about what you actually choose to take action on. Use that physical yes or no response to make sure that it's something that you actually desire. Use that physical yes or no response to tell you if it's something that you actually want to create. Just because you have an idea does not mean that you're obligated to take action to make it happen. As a generator, you're out of alignment when you feel frustration with the things that you're putting your energy into and working on without making progress or seeing any results. Frustration can happen when you rush into something without feeling that yes response from your gut before you start. It can also appear when you agree to things that your gut intuition actually says no to, but you did anyways because you knew that you were capable of doing it. It will help to ask yourself, does this thing bring me joy or does it drain my energy? If it drains your energy, it is out of alignment. By nature, you will jump right into action to get things done. If something becomes frustrating, you might get impatient and respond to those negative feelings by taking more action elsewhere. If you feel like you're putting your energy into a bunch of different things that are stuck or just aren't really going anywhere, then that's a good sign that you're out of alignment. You're in alignment when you feel satisfied because you respond to the ideas and the opportunities that are a heck yes with aligned action. This happens when you're creating or working on something that lights you up, that you could just work on all day without getting tired. And that's because you're really good at it and you're in alignment. You probably feel like you just have this sparkly magic in the air as you work on it. And when you're working on something and you completely lose track of all time and space, even if it's the same small thing over and over again, that's a sign that you're in alignment. Stepping out of that meditative state, you feel satisfaction, accomplishment, pride, and joy from time well spent and can't wait to do it again tomorrow. That's how you recognize your strategy and alignment cues as a human design generator. However, if you don't know how to apply human design principles effectively to each unique aspect of your marketing, sales, and client attraction strategy, you're missing out on unlocking the next level of abundance in your business. That's why you should check out my free course, How to Use Human Design to Create an Aligned Business, by clicking on the link below in the video description.